Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to change the language or the interface or user interface language of your Prime Video app on Smart TV. So very first what we can do is you can go to settings, and under the settings you have this option called as languages, and here you have this list of languages that is currently supported. Right now it is selected to English, but if you want you can just change it to something else like Italiano, and the user interface and all the options, everything will be changed into Italian language. Now if you want to just switch back to the other language, then you can go to the languages and then you can just choose the existing language or any language that you want, and the interface language will be changed. So in this way you can change the language of your Prime Video app on Smart TV. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.